Do you know that 50% of the fabrics you throw away can be saved by proper fabric care? Taking care of your fabric is not only about looking good, but maintaining your wardrobe and saving money in the long run. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be diving into the fabric care guide. So if you have ever wondered why your lovely fabrics do shrunk or fade after some few washes, then this video is for you. We are going to be breaking down why fabric care matters and how you can keep your fabrics fresh and new for as long as possible. So for Ankara fabrics, what you need to do is when you've worn your Ankara fabrics for like once or twice. In fact, I don't advise that you wash your Ankara on the first time you are wearing it. You can wear it, though sometimes because of heat, because of sweat, you might think you need to wash it immediately. But when you sweat on it, the best thing you can do is to air dry for the first time. So maybe after wearing it for like the second time, then you can now wash. And if you're going to be washing it, these are the ways to wash your Ankara fabrics. First, you use cold water when washing, and you don't wash inside my machine. Don't do machine wash. Make sure you wash it and wash. And when you are hand washing it, you can use mild soap. Like there are some detergents these days that are Ankara compliant. That is, when you wash, it won't make the colors of your Ankara to fade. So you can use such detergents. And another kind of soap that you can use is the one we call the bar soap. So you can use the bar soap and wash your Ankara fabric. Then you can also, before you start washing, you can try as much as possible to put some salt inside the water before you dip in your fabrics to wash. So then another thing you can do after washing, you air dry. You dry it in natural hair. Don't use iron to dry it. Air dry it moderately. Then you turn it, by the time you want to dry, you turn it outside out. That's turn it to the wrong side of the fabric. Then you spread it and let it air dry. So that's the way to take care of your Ankara fabrics. Then if you want to also iron, because especially if you are washing 100% cotton Ankara fabrics, when you want to iron, I advise that you iron on the wrong side of the fabric. So you iron it, then you can keep it safe. Then for lace fabrics and silk, when you are washing them, you also hand wash. You don't wash all those kinds of fabrics with machine. So you hand wash them, then you can use mild soap just like you use for Ankara fabrics. Use mild soap to wash them and spread to hair dry them. So once you hair dry, then for lace fabrics most times you don't need to iron. You just make sure you spread it in a place that it won't look rough. Then after spreading it and it's dry, then you fold it. You fold it more moderately and keep it safe in your wardrobe. So for silk fabric, when ironing it, make sure you reduce the heat of the iron to the lowest. Then another thing is you can put a plain fabric between the iron and the main fabric. That's between the iron and the silk fabric, like a plain clean fabric, maybe like a white cloth. You put it in between so that you avoid direct heat on the silk fabric. Then once you are done with the ironing, make sure you hang it in a place that is not directly to the sunlight. So definitely your wardrobe should be the best place to keep it. And you can hang it or fold it properly so that it will avoid wrinkles on the fabrics. So with these tips, I hope you'll be able to take care of your fabrics and also make your fabric to last long than expected. Okay, another thing you need to know is that you need to invest in quality and good fabrics. When you do this, definitely your fabrics will last long And in fact, you might even need to dash some out, and it will still be looking radiant and beautiful as the way they are when you buy them. So how you can get these fabrics, quality fabric? I sell good, beautiful and quality fabrics like Ankara lace materials, silk, chiffon, Adire, and the rest of them. So you can check out my page on Instagram at Ziwo Fabrics and on Facebook at Ziwo Fabrics. So I will want you to follow my pages both on Instagram and Facebook. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, I want you to subscribe to this channel, very important. Also like this video. So if you also have any other thing you would like me to talk about when it comes to fabrics, please let me know in the comment section. So I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.